Hey guys, Andy from Overkill Customs. I wanted to do a product spotlight. This is the new Stinger Horizon 10 radio. We've installed it in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. If you notice, it has the vehicle-specific kit, so it fits here nice and flush. I will say one caveat to this. This kit is kind of a pain to put in. It's really easy to wire because everything's already pre-made, but trying to snap this into the dash and getting it aligned is a pain in the butt. Now, other than that, it's got pretty cool stuff. So Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, both of these feature wireless versus the Stinger High 10. This one, being the Horizon, is wireless versus wired. Other cool features, there are vehicle gauges on this one. This is not using Maestro, it's their own thing. So I got battery voltage. If I can focus in on stuff, there we go. So you can easily change whatever you want to see here. Vehicle info, so tire pressures, performance, so we've got the RPM, we've got speed, off-road. I thought this was really cool. So we've got I need to drive it in the parking lot to get this calibrated, but so the pitch from up and down on the left side, and we have the roll from right. We have our longitude and latitude. We have our direction. We have our drivetrain, so it shows that we are currently in two-wheel drive high. And our tire angle is at, looks like 3 degrees, but as I turn the wheel here, I'll grab the steering wheel. See how it turns? It's kind of cool. Next thing I like is if I go down here and I press the camera and I show the back. So we set all of our cameras so you can trigger them on anytime. It kicks on with reverse, but we wire it this way you can look at any time. So for this matter, if you're going forward and you just want to see how you're exiting your trail, you also have your pitch, you have your roll, your longitude, your latitude, your altitude, and your tire angle. So, and at top is kind of cool. It sees how your front tires are doing. Just a really cool little feature to have. Overall, this is a great unit. It is a step up from the High 10, but you can definitely tell this is a waterproof unit. When you put all the plugs in, everything looks great. The regular radio, go back to features, Android Auto. I still have the protective layer so it doesn't look as good as it should. But so I do like how they split screen on the new Android Auto systems. And then here lists all of the features I currently have set up on my phone. But it looks really neat. So if I need to go home, it's 16 miles away. So, bam. It's really cool. What do you guys think? I did forget to mention that the steering wheel controls on this are also functional. So, you don't lose any functionality from the factory. You just gain additional accessories. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting the other cool little features. So, I just found this. If we go here, we have accessory control. What we can do is you can install, yes, I do have a relay. So what this does is we can change these accessories on and off. So if we want to change this to make it a accessory name, who knows, base, well, whatever. So anyways, that, and change the icon. We want it to look like that, a jellyfish. Now we're up here on, off. So you can use these 4 switches to do anything you want. The other cool thing is you can make this a simple on-off switch, hold to operate, or flashing, which would be pulsating. So like a strobe light. So simple switch like everyone knows. Hold to operate would be perfect for like a horn, and then flashing if you had like a strobing light you wanted to flash. But that's just another cool feature of the the Horizon 10. The Horizon 12 also has that feature. Go back here. So we also have HDMI input. Oh, the Enlighten app is pretty cool. It's not on this, but they're going to be used. So you can change the colors of your lights. If you did rock lights or interior lights, you can use this application to control all your lights right from the radio. So really, really cool feature-rich radio. If you guys have any questions, let us know.